Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today, please stop screaming! Okay, I might have to redo this video maybe, but I'll show you how to download tray files. It's super quick and easy. Never put them in the mods folder. That is so inappropriate. Well, not really inappropriate. It's kind of bad, you know. Oh god, I didn't know there was config in here. Whoa. Maybe we can mess with this. Actually, that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for a tray. It says right there, you don't have to make it. Recorded videos, whatever. You gotta open that. This is where all your things are gonna go. First, you click that button, whatever. So, the Sims resource, and the Sims 4 maybe, Sims 4 downloads and stuff. Then you want to go into downloads. I haven't did this yet. Downloads, maybe. Anyway, Sims 4 houses download. If you go on that, never trust that out there. The Sims 4 lots, whatever. You gotta go into lots anyway. On here. Yeah, it's right there. I should have looked. They're always called lots. Then pick a nice one. This is really cute.
We just got this stuff. Have you heard about this plastic spray? To keep stuff safe for children to be able to put it in their mouth.
Okay.
Yeah, you spray the object.
No custom content.
Like, for example,
Okay, make sure you gotta do that. You got to see what packs that they're using. So, yeah. I'll pause the video and find one that is my favorite. Okay guys, I found one that I really like. It's pink, base game home. No CC, okay. Guess I don't have to do that. I think I found one. Yep. So you click this download button or any other. Then you gotta wait. Sometimes it will give you a minute, maybe. Don't trust any of these dumb ads. They just give you viruses. So, yeah. I haven't did it though. Then you would get this, a folder. Then you want to go back to that tray folder. Make sure it's here, The Sims 4, Electronic Arts. Then you want to go into tray, that folder. Then you just want to move everything out. Actually, yeah. Then you just put it in this. You don't need this anymore, so might as well put it in the trash. Make sure you don't put it in a folder. Then run Sims 4. I have a pet expansion pack, whatever. Then you want to go into this thing, then my library, and then it should be here. Not all of them work, so yeah. Whatever. Make sure you have their CC or something. But I downloaded this, it worked. Oh god. Whatever, make sure you have their CC and stuff. Or else, nope. You ain't gonna have it. you ain't gonna have it. But make sure it says that if you don't have any of the packs. Whatever. So yeah, you have learned how to do that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!